What's going on, guys? It's Dominic here. It's my first video in a while. Just wanted to share with you what I got going on. So lately I have been painting my Integra's engine bay. I have a 97 Integra RS with a B series motor being built right now. I decided to paint the engine bay a dark blue. So we're going to be doing a gloss gray wrap and a dark blue engine bay with dark blue TE37 wheels. That's the goal. So right now, it's kind of what we're looking like. So right now, I have 2 primer coats sanded. I also have Pour 15 as the kind of, there's a lot of little imperfections in the paint. So I decided to do rust protective paint. And then on top of the rust protective paint, I did 2 coats more of primer, and then just some dark blue Rust-Oleum paint. I mean, it's not coming out that bad. It is spray paint, but it's whatever. Alright, so this is it right here. I mean, got a little bit of orange peel in here, but we're gonna be, we haven't done the gloss yet. We got another base coat to do. And then we'll be glossing it up, 3 coats of gloss. So with the Integra, when I first got it, it had a semi-built engine. It had these pistons right here. They're high compression. I believe they're YCP like 12-to-1 compression pistons with just the GSR rods. So it had a B18 block, B16 head combo. Poor man's Type R setup basically, and it had a lot of blow by, and I thought it was a head gasket. I also had a leak in the very corner of the head gasket near the VTEC solenoid. I replaced all the gaskets around there and it still was leaking, so it bothered me enough to pull the engine out. So right now the engine's being built at the shop right in my town here. I went with Eagle Rods CP 9-to-1 compression pistons, and I'm gonna be boosting it, of course. Other than that, let's see what else I got going. So right now the car was, when I got it, on function informed type 1 coilovers. I plan on upgrading to maybe the K-tuned coilovers. I'm not too positive yet either. But yeah, so I just gotta finish up here, painting the engine bay, and then I'll probably give another update video once I get that motor back. The pistons should be here any day now. The tuning shop is waiting, or the engine shop is waiting for the pistons to proceed with the build. Also, I will be selling my hood. So it has a white hood on it right now, which obviously the color of the car is white. I'm willing to trade for a carbon fiber hood. If it needs to be restored, that's fine. If anyone out there has a carbon fiber hood for the USDM front, I will not be going J front. That's just, I want to stick to the US front. So yeah, if you guys have any parts for sale, anything, maybe even a turbo kit, let me know. I'm in the market to buy one, and I'll get you guys in the next video. Later.